Hey guys, Pandora here, and I'm back with a new video. And today I'm bringing you a try-on haul of false eyelashes. We're going to be trying 3D eyelashes. A couple of weeks ago, model21eyelashes contacted me, asked me if I would be interested to try some of their eyelashes for you guys. Also, I'll be doing a little giveaway at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. I want to mention that this brand is very affordable and each box contains 10 eyelashes, so you're getting 10 pairs with your purchase. They specialize in eyelashes, so they have various types. They have 3D, they have Ming 3D, they have regular. If you would like to give them a chance, I'll leave the link down below. To make this video even more exciting, I'm going to try the eyelashes on my right eye, and on the left eye I'm gonna have just straight mascara. Without further ado, let's get into it. To end this video, I want to mention that Model21 eyelashes were generous enough to offer one lucky subscriber 3 pairs of your choice of the eyelashes. All the information how to enter this giveaway is going to be in the description box. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you like this channel, consider subscribing for more videos like this. I love you all, and I can't wait to see you on my next one. Bye! Hope you me no speak English. Number one. Loved making it for you. If you like this video,